Hello, it's Ivy, and I will be reflecting back on my experience with this course as well as my experience with the blog and just my overall viewpoint of technology now that my course is coming to a close. I want to start by saying this was an amazing course. I mean, phenomenal. My viewpoints of technology when I first started, when I wrote my paper on a tool that I could use in the classroom, was way far-fetched from what I know now. It just really helped me realize that as an educator, sometimes we are unaware of so many different resources and just abilities we have to bring different tools to the table for our students, in my case, my young ones. Um, I had a blast. I discovered different tools that I never thought would be such a use in the classroom. And I even found myself making variations because in my case, we don't really have access to a lot of the technology or tools or computer access, more or less, for my students to be able to use these different educational applications or websites. So I took the time to bring my tablet in just to enhance that technology approach in my classroom. And I found that my children just really got to it and they really loved it. And their learning picked up so rapidly. So me being in this course and just exploring different websites and applications got me excited enough to say, hey, how can I really get this into the classroom and implement it with my students, although we don't necessarily have the in-house resources for it. So I will say that was a big factor for me, just looking back from what I originally seen as a educational resource like Abacus, flashcards, board games versus now where we have math applications and learning your colors and different websites where my students can create their own game or explore nature. Things of that aspect is amazing to me. So I really enjoy that. Also, the blog. The blog was really a great experience for me. It allowed me to kind of see into that adult aspect of technology, just putting things together and really getting to explore my creativity and originality, excuse me. I really enjoyed putting my blog together. What it really allowed me to do is it allowed me to have insight on how a child would view applications or view games or view technology. We basically took the tools that we were given during this course and not only hands-on experienced them, but applied them to oneself, allowing us to really understand the whole technology concept in the classroom. I mean, I did creativity, I did exploration. I was able to just really sit and think about the angles in which I wanted to go. I was really able to reflect back on the tools that I used or just the approaches or just the overall aspect of technology. So just being able to use WordPress and Flipagram and things of that nature was really awesome for me. And I think my favorite part would be putting together my portfolio online, but also the lesson plan. The lesson plan was great for me. As I stated in just my overall reflection of the lesson plan, I found it really amazing to have to create something that was fully online. I mean, for me, being in the classroom, we're hands on. So anything that I implement, if it's missing a step or if it's not as detailed, I'm there. So I can kind of implement it on the spot. But having to really get down to it and just break it down and really think about it and really explore and really research and just look at it from a viewpoint where it's completely online. So you have to be as detailed as possible was an amazing experience for me. Mostly because it was new and I had never done anything like that before. So it was really a blast for me. Like I said in the beginning, this course from beginning to end was really, really exceptional for me. And I don't want to sound like I'm being over dramatic or like, I'm hyping it up, but it really was. It was a true learning experience for me. I took so many things away from this. Like I said, creativity, just looking at lesson plans from a different approach, being able to get into technology and fully understand the benefits and the assets of it by just experiencing it. I just took a lot away from this course. So in the process of just reflecting back and looking at what I thought technology was, which it was really technology, but what I view technology as now is like a world of difference. And I just really want to thank you for that experience and just really just really tell you that I enjoyed it, and it was amazing to really learn something that I can take back to the classroom. So thanks for that. And that's kind of me reflecting from beginning to end in the course. And I know it's probably kind of all over the place because I was a little excited, so I didn't really have a structured way of doing this. But I hope I got my point across in a very relatable and understandable way. And just thanks.